Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The popular coffee actress and single mother of two, Biodun Okeowo, popularly known as Omobutty, is a year older today, and she has received two epic birthday surprises that had her fainting. Sharing photos of the surprises, the actress via her Instagram wrote, "Guess what? I fainted. Stepped out of my room to two beautiful surprises. Where do I start from? I paid for a car from Unique Motors last year, December, precisely. And the funniest part is I just balanced the payment few days ago after selling about 3 huge endorsement deals that I'm yet to unveil. 2021 is my year and great already. My car was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but I wasn't available. And boom, this morning, Unique Motors and Royal Hill surprises with more than a surprise. When I stepped out, what caught my attention first was the gigantic money mountain from Royal Hill surprises. Then I saw another car instead of mine that I paid for, and I asked for the car I purchased, and it was parked right at the back of the car gift. Oh my God! And the message from the Unique Motors was that someone contacted us to deliver a second car to you as a gift. Me, a car gift plus the one I bought. If this will come out, oh God of miracle, I thank you, Abba Father. Please perfect what you have started in my life. Jehovah, my God, Jesus, who I be. For Biodun Okeowo, she cares less on how much hatred people have for her personally, because the single mother of two, in one of her posts in 2019, also assured her fans and followers not to allow people's hatred for them deprive them of living a fulfilled life. She wrote, "They will hate you if you are beautiful. They will hate you if you are a survivor and you are successfully successful. They will hate you if you are right. They will hate you if you are popular. They will hate you when you get attention. They will hate you when people in their life likes you. They will hate you if you worship a different version of their God and love God. They will hate you if you are spiritual. They will hate you if you have courage. They will hate you if you have an opinion they don't like. They will hate you when people support you. They will hate you when they see you happy. Heck, they will hate you if you post prayers and religious quotes. They just hate. However, remember this: they hate you because you represent something they feel they don't. It really isn't about you. It is about the hatred they have for themselves. So smile today, because there is something you are doing right that has a lot of people thinking about you, which no one has the power to change, because God made you so. Coco of my story: be yourself and do what makes you happy." That was what the actress encouraged her fans, as she says that's what she practiced. And truly from this video, she cares less. Because many times, the actress has been accused of going for surgery for abort. And she has come out many times to say abort is natural. And from here, the actress is so happy as she has received these beautiful gifts. This year is our great year of huge surprises and blessing. I tap into the blessing, I tap into the gifts. And Beauty Okeowo, from us, we say congratulations on this your huge and new gifts. God will protect you, and in this your new year, God will perfect everything that concerns you. You can go ahead to wish.
Sorry.
Mommy, Omobutty is yawning. Take picture with your mom. Take picture. Where is it? Where is it? Shut up. Where is it? Wallahi, very clean.
Remove your salary now. Remove your salary, Edmond. Àwọn ọmọ ọlá wọn fowó fẹ́ ra bí abẹ̀bẹ̀. Okay na. Okay. Na well done no. Your salary yín bẹ̀. Remove your salary from there. Find your body. Edmond ń fowó fẹ́ ra o. Ìfẹ́ jọ kílẹ̀ tó tán náà, paná jọ kí lélẹ̀ ìjọ. Okay, money things. Hey, Edmond, you are using money to.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe.